How to determine the freshness of eggs. If you have eggs at home, try this very simple trick that will save you from food waste. Fill a bowl with water and gently place your egg in it. If the egg sinks to the bottom and lies flat on its side, it's very fresh. If it stands upright on the bottom, it's still safe to eat but not as fresh, typically about 1 to 2 weeks old. However, if it floats to the surface, it means the egg is old and should be discarded. This method is based on the principle that eggshells are porous and allow air to pass through over time. As an egg ages, the air cell inside it gets larger, causing it to become more buoyant. Next, we have the plate test. This method involves breaking the egg onto a flat surface to observe the egg yolk and the egg white. Here we have a fresh egg. A fresh egg will have a firm, round yolk and thick egg whites that stay close to the yolk. Notice how the yolk is nice and round, and the whites are thick and not too spread out. You can even distinguish the thick albumin from the thin albumin and the chalaza. The chalaza is the part of the egg that aids in centering the yolk. Now let's look at an older egg. An older egg will have a flatter yolk and thinner egg whites that spread out more. As you can see, this egg has a flatter yolk and the whites are much runnier and spread out. Thin and thick albumin are almost mixing. The chalaza also isn't that visible anymore. This indicates that the egg is older. Now let's briefly explain why this happens. An egg's freshness decreases because of the air cell inside it. When the egg is laid, it has a small air cell. As the egg ages, moisture and carbon dioxide inside the egg evaporates through the shell, and air enters to replace them, causing the air cell to grow larger. This increase in air cell makes the egg more buoyant, which is why older eggs float. Additionally, the breakdown of proteins in the egg white causes them to become thinner and runnier over time. And that's it. You know how to test the freshness of eggs using the float and sink test and the plate test. These simple methods help you ensure your eggs are still good to use, preventing food waste and making your meals safer. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks. See you next time!